Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. It's been a hot minute, but I can explain. I got lazy. So, we're continuing with this and trying to make it to the end of this path. So, there are 3 whole-ass paths, and this is...
This is Darla Grant.
We're trying to make it to the end of the second one. Alright. Looking around in case there's any gold bolts. Nada. Got it. I hate. I entirely forgot that they hid that there. Yes. Alright, so for some reason, I always die here. Like this one particular spot. And first try. Let's go. Nailed it. Let's go. Oh,
Sweet!
Congratulations! You just found a Gadgetron Morph Array. Hold down the circle button and keep the beam focused on an enemy. When the meter is full, the enemy will transform.
Oh! Oh, wow! Oh, now I think I remember why I don't remember this. Yeah, I got too frustrated and just left. Oh well. Let's get some,
Hi there, Fuzzball.
some more ammo. I spend so much damn money on ammo, I swear. Maybe I just need to get better and shoot less. So, that's 2 paths done. And now what I...
This is Darla.
Damn it, I did it again. What I firmly believe is the hardest one. Because this path that shot me out here, that was hard to lose a bunch of enemies. This path was hard, kind of, because it was annoying as platforming, but it's solved with Dizzy Bomb. This one is solved with none of that. Remember ages ago when I tried to make this a no-death run? What a grand idiot I was. I mean, like, I could probably do, like, the start of the game, no death, but... Section is just platforming on slick terrain. Okay, so my drones don't do anything. Oh. Sorry for the lack of commentary, but I'm literally giving it like 1,000% focus. Let's go. Oops. Sorry about that. Okie dokie. Now, jumping over everything. What I'm looking for. Just barely caught it. I think there's a part where you have to jump over and keep them fire. Alright. A little head of steam going. Barely catch itself. Let's go! Clap for me, Jesus! Can I walk in a straight line? Oh boy. So because there's a slope behind me, the camera keeps pushing like at a weird direction. So I can't just hold straight. I have to make like a little adjustment. But now that there's no slope, I can just hold straight. Oop, no, that's bullshit. And you have to start all the way back. Here's the strat. I'm gonna do this. And then we're just gonna run like hell over. Come on, move forward. Yes. Where to go? Alright, now we're a loser. Right, 3 shots. Die. God, I hate that. Oh, I just realized catching the wrench stops your forward motion. That's pretty neat. Come on. Ooh. Alright. We. Alright.
Captain Quark.
Where?
Come on, Quark.
Oh, God, I hate that. I hate that level so
name's
much.
Steve. Pleased to meet you.
Look, Steve. I need to know where
gonna
Drek
take a
is
little
before
sippy.
it's too late.
Did you say too late? Sir, it is never too late to acquire the latest in the long line of quality products from Gadgetron. I have for you, today only, the Gadgetron PDA.
Public display of affection?
No, personal delivery assistant. This device allows you to purchase ammunition wherever and whenever you want it.
Yeah?
Convenient.
How do I know it works?
You can always trust Gadgetron quality, or my name's not Steve.
So because this is technically the PS3 version, there's some weird things. There's some weird animations. So if you noticed, he like lost his eyes. Now we just go up this. Nice and simple and definitely not annoying. And boom! We've finished the planet. With great success. You see, I would just drop right off, but there's kind of that down there. What is happening? There's another stage. What is this?
This is Darla.
God damn it, I did it again. What is this about? Hold on, I'm just gonna check this out and then do my thing. What is this? Where is this taking me? I don't understand where this is taking me. I don't know this. Ooh. Oh, that's neat. I didn't know about this. My God, it just gives you another gold bolt. Alright, now where the hell am I? Alright, I'm pretty sure that taxi would have just taken me back to my ship, but wow. I did not know about that. Ah, I pressed the right one this time. I don't need to restock, really. Okay. I think we're going to call this an episode now. Thank you all for watching. I hope you had fun. I certainly did.